Look at that, it's a brand new year, which means it's time for a new season of Fan Mail Friday. There you are. This is awesome. I've got this camera up here. I've got some packages. Here's the box right there. I actually have a second angle and a coffee that you can see me in. Cheers. 2020 was an unprecedented year for everything. And even with all that happened, we as a community were able to raise a bunch of money for the One Big Give that Bender hosts for Seattle Children's Hospital. And I can't be more proud of all the work that was done in order to bring some much needed monetary help to those who may not otherwise be able to afford it. But enough about that. Listen, this is a new season, a new year. Let's get to that number. Let's surpass that number. Let's do whatever we can to help those who need our help. We've got some stuff here to open up. I'm kind of excited about it. Let's do it. The first one is from, hometown, Tacoma. Inside, we have, look at that. There's a letter, a US $1 bill, a self-addressed stamped envelope. Well, let's dive in. Dear 3D printing nerd, my name is Mark. I'm from Olympia, Washington. I have been watching you when you make the ghost with the tongue that goes in and out. From your fan, Mark. Hey, thanks for that, Mark. That's really kind of you right there. You sent $1. You sent a self-addressed stamped envelope. Do I still have the ghost? Mark, just for you. Look at this. Here it is. Bleh. Bleh. It's time to get on to business. First things first. Mark, thanks for that trip down memory lane. That was a lot of fun. And thanks to that $1 and a self-addressed stamped envelope, Mark, you get a sticker. Next up, we've got this envelope right here. This is from Portland, Oregon. Neighborhood, sort of. Ooh, look at this. Idea for print mill. Okay, could be exciting. Let's take a look inside. And inside, we have, To Joel, hi, I am John. I have an idea for what you should print on Naomi's print mill. It's a ramp for my Lego Max train. The size of the ramp is 273 millimeters long by 134 millimeters wide by 22 millimeters high. I thought this would be an interesting challenge for the printer. If you do want to accept the challenge, then contact me at my email address. If you do decide to make it, please send it to me. My original one I printed out had an unforeseen design flaw. Your fan, John C. Let's take a look. Oh, he doesn't have the design flaw, but there's a picture. That's cool. Well, hey, I've got your email address. Maybe I'll reach out. Thanks for this, John. I'm excited for this one. This is from Chris's Basement. Oh yeah. Chris Riley, an amazing content creator on YouTube and probably one of the kinder people I know. Also taller than me. Look at that. Happy holidays 2020. Chris's Basement. Well, this is fantastic. Look at this. This is great. Thanks, Chris. I'm sorry I didn't get to open this until right now. Chris, if you're watching this, please leave a comment down below. Tell people how they can get some of your wonderful stickers. Last, certainly not least, look. I know what that is. Perhaps you've heard of Fix'em Dude? He sent a box. Ooh. It is packed well. Look at that. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, there's stuff. Okay, we've got stuff. Hold the phone. Okay, there's a little thing right there. Look at that. Feel free to read on air. I like those notes. Oh, for Seattle Children's Hospital. Okay. Oh, some Fix'em Dude stickers. Oh, here's another. Oh, you know what this is? I think. Yes. Look at that. So you see that? Look at that. Yes. Oh, I love these. Cardboard. I mean, it says 1 AD. I don't think that matters. And at the very, very bottom, a self-addressed stamped envelope. Perfect. Let's open up this first. This is wrapped nicely, and oh, look at this. They're keychain kind of doohickeys, but here, I'm gonna hold it up right here. Look at that. It's connected via a key ring, and it wiggles. There's also this one. Look at this, 3D PN. 3D PN, it's got the little Joel bot at the bottom. And the print quality is fantastic. I would imagine these printed in place, of course. These are awesome. Thank you for these. And for the shuttle. Thank you, shuttle. Oh my goodness. Joel, I've enjoyed you and your channel for several years, and I wanted to send you a little something as a thank you. The flexible keychains bag tags are one of my original designs, printed in the awesome Protopasta High Five Blue you sent me, along with the enormous tie interceptor. Thanks again for sending it. You've made me a minor celebrity at the office. That video was so much fun, and I forced everyone I know to watch it at least once. Well, thank you for that. That does help with the algorithm. I've also included a pre-release print of my new Star Wars Imperial Shuttle Kit card, along with the instructions. Sorry, I can only print it in normal human sizes. Of course, no fan mail would be complete without a little something for the Seattle Children's Hospital. Thank you for that. And because you've helped inspire so many of us rookie makers out there over the years, you, Joel, you get a sticker. I love it. Thanks for all you do. High five, Michael Grugel, AKA Fix Some Dude. Brilliant. Absolutely. Freaking brilliant. And then a little something for Seattle Children's Hospital. Look at that. 20, 40, 50 US dollars for Seattle Children's Hospital. Fix some dude. Fix some dude. Thank you so much. With this, obviously, we have to get down to business. First things first. I know I like to fix some dude, but Michael, thank you very much. You're a wonderful, awesome person in the 3D printing community, and I'm very thankful that we were able to interact. I'm honest to goodness, I love that model of yours that I printed, and I'm happy I was able to send it to you, and congrats on your minor celebrity. But because of your generous donation to Seattle Children's Hospital and this self-addressed stamped envelope, you, Michael, you fix some dude, you get stickers. And just like that, this episode of Fan Mail Friday is over. Thanks again for joining us on this brand new season, episode 1 in the can. And just on a side note, obviously these are recorded before Fridays. Today, the recording date is February 2nd. And the reason that that's important is because 3 years today, I put in my notice at Adobe on the After Effects team. It was my last day there because I was going to explore being a full-time content creator. And there is no way the past 3 years could have happened without support from viewers like you. So honestly, truly, deeply, thank you. And just like that, don't forget to hug each other more, practice kindness aggressively, and as always, high five.